Hi Chris, here is the non-smiley 51cm spans. You're going to need to start with a 1200mm by 400mm wire shelf. You're going to need to cut that off, so we're losing this extension here, and we're going to add a 600mm shelf, and that should give you an overhang. Let's just measure that quickly. An overhang of about 80, but again it depends on where exactly you've ended up with overall length. I've looked at whether there was ever an 1800 long shelf. I think that got discontinued a long while ago, so with both formats you need to make up your total span using 1200s and either 45s or 60s. It might be simpler if you just bought all 60s, and you may end up theoretically wasting a bit more, but it'll save having things too short. So for each shelf I recommend you get a 1200 and a 600, and you're going to need 4 brackets for each shelf. I will now look at how many shelves in total you wanted and give you a parts list.